Today, I'm super excited to dive deeper to the app that has revolutionized the world of photo editing. Yes, I'm talking about Dehancer. You know what I mean? This app is only available on iOS, as I already mentioned on my previous video, and it offers a whole range of features which promises to enhance your photo editing game. While time is money and money is limited, I'll make sure I will mention only the best features this app is providing in less than 2 minutes. Yes, you hear right? I'm gonna challenge myself to make sure that you know the best features in just 2 minutes. Are you ready? User-friendly interface. Dehancer has a simple interface that makes photo editing a breeze. You can easily navigate through all of the features and find what you're looking for. Whether you're a pro photographer or you're just starting out, Dehancer has something for everyone. Yes. The app comes with a collection of professional presets that will take your photos to their next level. Customizable presets. If you want to create your own unique look, Dehancer allows you to create your own presets and save them for future use. Number 4. Advanced editing tools. You can access a wide range of advanced editing tools such as curve, selective, color, and many more to fine-tune your photos. RAW support. Dehancer supports RAW file formats, which allow you to edit your photos in the highest quality. You know what I mean? That's like mind-blowing, man. Dehancer integrates with popular photo sharing platforms such as Instagram, so you can share easily your photos with your audience. Its user-friendly interface, professional presets, advanced editing tools, and integrations. This app is the ultimate app for enhancing your photos. So go ahead and download this app right now. And yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope I've done 2 minutes. Now, in case you want to download any plugin for your Lightroom, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, whatever, you name it, go download the plugin Comic Christ, and you will have a discount for 10%. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, love, do anything you want basically.